Okay, Jimmy and began Oris etiquette around here. Okay, machine. Travel and check happens. Shouldn't I? Okie dokie. Well, that's so awkward. Diane's a bit like the closer than him.
That was a thrill, Eivor. We are champions of Grantbridge. Do you know of any other towns that need liberating?
You don't think we have had enough drama for one day? We should return to the settlement.
Or we could have a drink to celebrate our victory.
At home, Tekla has all the mead and ale we could want.
Eivor, our outing has hardly begun. Find us an alehouse and let us make ourselves at home.
Let's return the horse. If your thirst remains, we'll look around.
Pàirt Randvi. Who's when you can eat again? Shin Rala Kinch. I want the Nishad. Ik can echo was so shin. Aye, should I? Veel nee, kerst je out baby at bed. Yeah. Where's the car and it's like a listen hey. I should Hey, Magni.
Magni, you solved your bandit problem.
Did you? Well done! And did you find my sweet mare?
Your horse is outside waiting for you.
Thank the gods she is safe. And thank you, Eivor. And your friend Ranvi, wherever she is.
She's here somewhere.
Over here. Look at this.
What are you playing at?
A drinking contest. You versus me. Wolf-kissed versus
Okay.
Maiden.
Okay.
We can do better than table maiden.
Mead queen then.
All right, let us drink.
He's out there. I need the cash. Okay. Can we name each other? It's true.
Staggering already.
Oh, well, I never done Ghaol. Okay. Focus.
There, you see. You should not have tried to outdrink me, Ranvi. It cannot be done.
Strange. I see your lips moving so rapidly, yet all I hear is, thank you, Ranvi.
So, are you satisfied? My head is ringing like a bell.
More than satisfied. Now come, we'll ride this off and take in the air as we head home. After just one more stop.
Ranvi.
It's a sunken tower near a waterfall, close to home. We can stop for a look, and then you are free of me. It's near the highest point of a hill, just south of the settlement. Easy to spot, I'm sure.
All right, one last stop then.
I know it might not show, Eivor, but I am terribly excited.
Oh, it shows.
I do hope to see you.
Sin tal gan túr. Tell him Pàirt Ghaol and shin. Yeah. Joe Collis said.
Thank you.
Tá sé seo
for
gur
everything.
tart arm. Yeah, to give me shin. Right, and you sure? Check out comes. And you're going to come. The baby in Chile got you. Check out comes. I should have quoted got in a hill. Here's no hickle.
I have punctured poor Magni's heart back there.
What can I say? Not the first, and it will not be the last.
Above.
I name you Ranvi, slayer of bandits, breaker of hearts.
I will sound it with pride. Sunniva described this tower for me. A desolate yet peaceful place. I am eager to see it.
After a full day of action, finally you wish to calm down.
I've had my fill of adventure. Time for a little rest.
Sinna Well, ha barach gonna question about me too. I
I
got
was
him.
wondering something. You and Sona. Was there something more to your bond? You
Oh.
spoke of her with a particular shine in your eyes.
We grew very close very quickly. Is that what you mean?
Knach. There's on the hay.
No, I mean, did something happen between you two?
What sort of question is that?
An innocent one. Innocent as a newborn babe.
Nothing happened between us. That is my answer.
Yeah, sure.
I find that disappointing. If I were you, I might have tested the waters. Eivor, entangled by a hardy Jarlskona as she leads her army to victory and prosperity. A rather appealing match.
I'm going to pretend your last words were taken by the wind.
Now you pay for your sins!
Oh, love. Catch as my eye. Tá question of other shot a cur The Witcher 3 again at yeah, mi tuisin sin. Can you let Bulach Jirach is got Hashimpley and Gani Ruth Eile
If you must.
Right,
Look
can
there.
we using
That
she
must
is.
be the tower. Take the bridge.
Catch Villa Drachach. Right, finishing. She is. Plag, aye. Pag, aye. J ható. Ruta gin careless day. Oh, vo, Ubisoft. Right, she is anyhow. Agus nu de bhaja. Okie dokie. Should have got again in Yakome
Just as
a reef.
beautiful as Sunniva's
Ech,
tales tell.
a chamashin a ganetalt. Famous in Chile. Oh, Randy.
Now, staring at these ruins, I imagine people of old, how they lived, never knowing what would become of their monuments.
You have a fertile imagination.
I want a view from the top. Shall we?
Lead on.
Keep up!
Mind where you put your fingers. These stones are old and weathered.
Logie beter kan tin femi tu Skyrim le mi eatsen sies for bain gun echo. Yeah, nach sinna ha fi.
Well, for one who folds maps.
You jest, but I have raised the frames of longhouses and hammered the ribs of longships. My hands are calloused from hard work. Well, look at this. A stunning view. It reminds me of my early years in Norway. How I used to climb the hills beyond the wood.
You have an adventurous heart. I hardly see it behind the table, but now I've watched you scale a tower in furs, soaking wet.
I was rowdy in my youth. Hunting, sailing. I was a wildling of the open air before I became this staunch and stoic woman. Married off in service of peace between two clans. A noble and worthy role, but not one I had ever imagined for myself.
You would have made a fine wandering warrior. A Jomsvikinger, free to come and go as she pleased.
I think so too. It may be we would have sailed together over the open seas, raiding or traveling.
Or faced each other on the field of battle. Without your marriage to Sigurd, to secure peace, our clans might still be at war.
True. Very true. Thank you for today. Every bit of it has been a dream, and I'm not keen to wake.
Then don't. You can stay here as long as you like.
Yes.
What was that?
Oh no, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have. I got away from myself.
No need to apologize.
Sigurd is your brother, and I have put you in a very difficult position. The heart does not do politics like the head.
Maybe the mead, maybe the air, but there is no need to apologize.
I am sober enough. But the truth of it is, I have felt this way for some time now. I care for you, Eivor.
Oh.
That is comforting to hear. I've long felt the same way. I banished the thought that this would ever happen.
Many times I wished to tell you. I wished to say what was in my heart and what I desired, but duty kept me from it.
Say all you like.
Today has meant so much. We rode, we fought, we drank, we laughed. You showed me your world. Not in words, but deeds.
Deeds are more direct than words.
Well, bheit abhar is acam agus bheit me ceist. Okay, well, bhí scarigh idir sin héana agus Sigurd gun Jackú. Gun Jackú sa bhí.
Randvi? Must have returned to the settlement.
Maiad. Sinna. Oh, well, sin agad a bhí smaointe gun, well, cosca sin na penguin scéal a seo agus go staid sin anna hen leis development sin mar go bhfuil. Éivar agus Randvi. Sin agad mór an tain go cháirtin ar san bhí am chuteach ar san Cluicheamaid éile ha chuma an tuirid acu éichcin sa chat rilí atars tógáil gá agus chimí ina heachcain siú. Ai. Wow. Okay. Cheers at last.